loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I got this look with this wig from Alipearl hair. So Alipearl went ahead and sent me a 18-inch body wave bob wig in 13x4, and this is what it looks like. I know this video may be a bit lengthy, so I'm not gonna ramble on too much. I'm really excited for you guys to see like how I put it on, how I did the glue. The install was super easy to do. This wig is one of my favorite wigs ever from Alipearl, or period, because like it's just so short and cute. Like it's giving vibes. The curls are uniformed. I'm loving it. If you would like to purchase, definitely check the links in the description box for you to do so. And I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's jump into the video because, like I said, really lengthy. Let's get into this because she's giving, okay? Period.
I love you, I love you, I love you. Until I love you, I love you, I love you. Until I find the
the schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, going crazy. Wheezy produced it, and Wheezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. Foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I even go, leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same pace I can make them youngins come and finish you. Lawyer being charged here, you like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the visa. President's a 10 slot, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what you do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, they gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a street, man, I'm come from the pavement. A million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 I'm a baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I even go, leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they support the head. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I even go, leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they support the head.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow when I went flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can do my foot flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all over my life, man. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah. My gratitude is a must. Yeah. See, blessings fall by my right hand. But I was for the friends that take off for me load. One time did sit up in a class and report. Then only said the road and we won with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic say sing. Yeah, see me all diggy soon get the higher ring. Like hello brother, say I just shot you. Saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your shot. Me can't fall in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah. The gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall never right on. But I do it for the friends where they got me road. One time they sit down in a class and we board them. Only said the road, them go on with it, go on with it. That's how I blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. That's how I blessings upon me. And that's how I made to give him the call. I'm in the light. Jah knows I'm a passion ignited. God the music get me excited. I'm coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life, man. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah. And gratitude is a must. Yeah. This is blessings fall by my right hand. But I those for the friends that take off the load. One time did sit down in a class and we board them. Only said the road and we go on with the road. Toast, yeah. Toast. Going to rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks. Yeah, we give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus.
this is the finished look. It is Alipearl's body wave bob in 18 inches and a 13x4 lace frontal. Finally, a true to size frontal that actually like goes all the way back to the 4 inches and more and some. Okay, Alipearl is definitely like giving your money's worth. I know so many companies who will do 13x6 or 13x4 and they don't have the parting space all the way back here. It's like right here. Or you can't do a deep one. With this wig, if I wanted to, I could flip it over even deeper. So I love this. So if that's what you wanted to hear, yes ma'am, you could definitely do that. This wig is gorgeous. I love the fact that it was a bob, so it was already short in the back, so I didn't have to do any cutting to the back. I just had to pretty much just nip and snip the front pieces just so that everything could be even. And I'm loving this hairstyle. It's giving wifey, it's giving trophy wife, it's giving off such good vibes. I'm so here for it. Can't wait to go make some TikToks in this wig. So cute. I love it. So 10 out of 10 for me. I have no complaints. The lace tinted perfectly. It matches my skin tone like spot on. So I'm very much here for this. Of course, like this hair is just really perfect. I've been feeling short on the more natural side these days when it comes on to wigs, so I'm loving this. This is just giving vibes. So if you're looking for something really nice, realistic, and just easy to work with, this wig was perfect. And 10 out of 10. Easy to bleach, easy to pluck, came pre-plucked, and like as you can see, we did that. Okay, so thank you so much to Alipearl for sending me this gorgeous wig. I'm so in love with it. So grateful. This hair is everything. If you'd like the links for this wig, it will definitely be in the description box. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is at She's Your Fave, where I'll be posting, of course, some little looks in this wig. Without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babe.